All right, what's up, everybody? We just wrapped up this job over here. There's a lot of work, a lot of curbing, asphalt millings, and a detached pole barn garage. So check this out. So we did 14 feet across, curbing on both sides, 8 inches wide, 6 inches deep, with one number 4 rebar continuous throughout it. And we got about 3 to 4 inches of asphalt millings put down. But this looks really, really good. I'm really happy with the way this turned out. And once we get around the corner right here, it flares out to both sides, allowing a big turnaround pad for the trucks and machines and whatever else that the homeowner may want to put inside the garage. Over here, a little drive path. He's gonna have some doors here, and he's gonna have cars pull inside on this side. He can also have a car pull in this way as well. It's all up to what he's gonna do. But yeah, it looks really, really good. We also did this floor. If you've been on our Facebook page, you have seen that. So this floor was about 50 by 50. We used 4,000 PSI on this as well. Of course, rebar grids. This turned out very, very nice. And there's the homeowner's truck, really nice truck. And yeah, everything looks good. So there you have it. Nice curb, nice pole barn. So actually, I want to show you guys this house. Is a friend of mine, and we have done every piece of concrete on this property. We've done the foundation, the garage, the pool deck concrete underneath the pavers, the pole barn in the back, and now the ribbon curb. So maybe they might have one more thing to do, which is a pool house, and if so, then we'll be doing that, and that should be it for here. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.